Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the transmission and the transmission shifter fuses relays are located on GMC Terrain, guys. That generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Now guys, please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And if you, by the way, need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So the transmission shifter, fuses, relays come, guys, to show you where you can expect to find them. Quick advice from us: 9 out of 10 others do not know, guys, about all the hidden fuse boxes, guys, okay, that will be in that Chevy GMC Terrain, which is, by the way, built on the Chevy Equinox platform, so many of the parts are interchangeable if you're looking for something. Now guys, we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money. What we need to do now: open the passenger door. When you do that, come to the passenger side footwell compartment. On the side of the center console we have a cover right here. Pull that cover on the bottom side, it will open, and underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. The first fuse that we need to check, guys, okay, will be that fuse right here known as fuse number 25. That will be the only fuse that we need to check in that fuse box, but then we need to go ahead and open the hood, and when you do that, facing the engine on the right side, on the driver's side next to the brake fluid reservoir, you see that's the main engine fuse box. You have a clip here and a clip there. When you kind of like squeeze them together, lift the cover up, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Now, here we need to check quite a few fuses and relays, guys. One of them is fuse number 17. You see right here, that one will need to be checked. Then you need to locate fuse number 44, this one right here. After that, we need to locate fuse number 52, which is right here, that 20 amp fuse. Next we go to fuse number 53, this is that 10 amp fuse under that relay. That's fuse number 53, guys. And after that we need to check relay 66, which is that relay right here. So all these fuses, relays will need to be checked for your transmission on your GMC Terrain. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.